Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. We're out here at Dell Osso Farms here in Lathrop, California, off of Highway 5. This farm has grown so much from when I was a kid, when it was just a corn maze and a pumpkin patch. Now they have a ton of different exhibits and a lot of different things to entertain the kids. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at a few of these. It is October 14th at about 5 p.m. and you can see just how packed this place already is. The overflow parking lot is darn near packed as well. Let's go ahead and take a look over at the farm itself. There's the main entrance, Dell Osso Family Farm. Pretty nice line already going in. If I go over to the west, you can see the ticket stand. If you take a look at their website, it's going to list all of the attractions that they have going on at this family farm. And there is a ton of things. Like I said, we're going to explore a few of them before we get into the corn maze. Let's get up and look at the corn maze just a tad bit. There we go on the left-hand side of the screen. Look at that. That corn maze is huge. You got a couple little bridges that you climb up over. Gives you an idea of where you're at on the pumpkin patch. Sorry, on the corn maze. But we'll cover that in just a moment. Let's take a look at what this place has to offer. I'm zooming over to the west. The sun is setting, so I'm gonna get behind, or have the sun get behind me. Gives you guys the best view possible. The traffic getting here was hellacious already. They had the CHP on all the off-ramps. And just so you know, if you are coming north on Highway 5, you're gonna get the Mossdale number 460 exit. And if you're heading south on 5, you're gonna take the Matthews number 460 exit to get here. Take a look at the freeway real quick. You wanna see it? See, the freeway is not so bad. It's when you get off the freeway that we have problems. That CHP officer is controlling traffic coming in from the South 5 side. And then over at the farmer's market, where they have delicious barbecue, there's going to be another CHP officer right over yonder that is controlling the traffic that is heading south on Highway 5. He's directing traffic to go on over to the overflow parking lot. There's the overflow parking lot entrance right there. And then you come on down this road into this line of cars, and you get in this parking area. I'm gonna zoom out. Gotta zoom in first. Can't figure out how to do it the other way yet. But look at this parking lot. It is packed. But that's enough of the parking and getting here situation. Let's take a look at the Dell Osso Family Farm and the attractions that are here. Everyone's favorite, or one of the favorite, is the pumpkin blaster. They have a ton of blasters that you can see right here. They're shooting at a car. Let me zoom in for you guys. They got a car down here to shoot at. They have the actual pumpkin head, or the pumpkin that's carved out, the jack-o'-lantern, I guess you would say, that you could shoot at. And here are all the cannons. How many cannons do we got this year? There's a ton of them. Counting from the left to the right, it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 cannons this year. So the line shouldn't be too long to get into this, but like I said, this is one of the favorite attractions, so it still might be pretty long. On top of the pumpkin cannon, you have the carousel. What kid doesn't love a carousel? And what parent doesn't love taking pictures of their kid on a carousel? This one's pretty nice, so if you're looking for a nice picturesque place to do some family photos, this might be a good place to do so. What else do we got? Let's see. Oh, right there we have the farm train. This is the train station. The train takes you around the whole farm, not just the little Halloween area, but it goes up and it goes around the perimeter of the farm. It's pretty cool. Go through that little trestle right there. Keeps going all the way around. Right there you have the hill slides. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slides that the kids are here to enjoy. Also the zip line or obstacle course. How are we going to zoom over to get you guys on that one? Let's go this way. Doesn't look like anybody's on the obstacle course. I wonder if that's even open. But there's the obstacle course. How many attractions are we at right now? I think that's 4 or 5. Let's see what else we can find. Oh, look at that. There is the pedal carts. These are not go-karts. You pedal push them. Looks like they're getting ready to go right now. Let's see if we can get some nice views of this. You have Lathrop's finest out there already, as you can tell. Right down, where is it? Right there. Lathrop PD. Oh, and there's the tire pyramid. Kids just climb around on this tire pyramid, enjoy themselves. That one looks like a free attraction. Are they going to get going on these pedal carts yet? Let's see, let's see. Maybe somebody's not ready. Maybe there's not even anybody on these pedal carts. I don't see a line for them. Looks like there's people on them. Oh, there's another kid trying to get on. We'll come back to that shortly. Actually, there is nobody on them. That's why they're not going yet. Kids are just now getting on them. Let's take a look and see what else we can find out here. A little hay maze for the kids. Air pillow jumpers. You run out, just jump on these air inflated bags. Not too much to those. There's that carousel again. Your pumpkin patch. You can't forget to get a pumpkin while you're out here. Who doesn't want to get a pumpkin from their favorite pumpkin patch? There is the corn maze. Try not to get you too dizzy. Here's the entrance. Right over yonder. Corn maze entrance. And let's get you a little bit better view of that. Look at the corn maze is huge this year. Every year just keeps getting bigger and bigger. There's your mini golf course. On the way over there, we can take a look at it. So, mini golf course. I got people down there looking. They're like, what in the world is going on? Is Iran gonna bomb us right now? Your hamster wheels. The entrance to the haunted castle. The corn maze, look at that. These little things are pretty interesting right here. These little hamster wheels, you get in them, you just run to the end and back. I guess you get to get the experience of what it feels like to be a little rodent for a few days. or for a few days, a few minutes. Hopefully your parents don't forget you in there. Sorry I have to zoom in and out to get you out. I haven't figured out how to zoom out without zooming in first, but here's the whole corn maze. You got a little pumpkin down there. Looks like it's in a castle, maybe a skull. What else do you guys see? Comment below and let me know what you see. That's pretty much it for this video. Other than I'm going to show you coming in on the freeway. Over there is coming in on Highway 5. Right here on the left is coming in from Sacramento, Stockton area, Highway 5 heading south. To the right is Manteca, Escalon, Highway 120. If you're heading south on 5, you're going to get off on the Matthews exit 460. If you're heading northbound on 5 from, let's say, Tracy, Patterson, Newman area, down coming from that area, you're going to head north on 5 and get off on the Mossdale exit number 460. And before you guys go, when you hit the road, you're all done here, take a stop over here at this little farmer's market. This farmer's market has some delicious barbecue on top of the farm fresh vegetables and fruits. They got a lot of sweets too, candy, some of that like chocolate covered, what are those called? Chocolate covered pretzels, that's what they are. They got white chocolate ones too, which I love. But that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, make sure you comment below, like, subscribe, and share. Check out the video library for many other family videos or family fun videos. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies and Steak. And thanks for sticking along with me. Like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you on the next hopefully helpful video.